Welcome everyone, quick video discussing whether or not the regular Nintendo Switch will support the Nintendo Switch OLED Dock. So you can tell this is the Switch OLED Dock. If I just get my flashlight on, you can see the brand new logo right here. This is compared to the old Switch dock, which looks like this. You can see the Nintendo Switch logo, looks far larger. Here is the back. I don't think I can really show the back, but I removed the back. Anyway, let's just plop it on and see what happens. So let's see if anything's gonna charge, all that good stuff. So if I just plop it on, you can see the screen does go black. Let's see if it's gonna give me a disconnected message. Okay, yeah, so it seems like it's going to charge perfectly fine. It's going to connect perfectly fine as well. It does seem like that the Switch OLED dock actually has more leeway. You can see, look at that, there's a lot more room available to put the Switch in. Let's compare that to the old Switch dock. So I'm just going to go like this so you don't see some other stuff. So this is the regular Switch dock. Plop it on. And yeah, you can see far less movement on this dock. So definitely, guys, if you have the regular Switch, get the Switch OLED dock because